The only thing that I'm worried about is that people are going to have to put up grills. But these windows aren't designed for that. But
Let us hope they don't have to.
it's going to take away from there.
Yes.
Tips to help you on this exciting transition to home ownership and to becoming an active community member. In the first few weeks, make sure to meet your neighbors and form community groups. Get involved in your Citizens Association. This is where you will create and action a common vision for your community. A strong community is built on respect for others, so follow your homeowner's manual, which is your guide for the care and orderly development of your property and for the common spaces. Your home is a valuable investment that will bring you numerous benefits. Make sure to pay your mortgage on time. Your first payment is due on the first day of the second month after you receive your keys. This means that you get a 1-month payment holiday at the start of your relationship with NHT. We make mortgage payments easy. If you're employed, pay by salary deduction. That way you don't have to worry about missed payments. Otherwise, you may pay at your NHT branch office, at the bank, or using online payment options such as the NHT mobile app. Beautify your property. Plant a garden. Carry out routine maintenance to keep your house looking good so that your property will retain its value over the years. Let's create communities of which we can all be proud. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. It's your house, your home, your life.
My house, my home, my life. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister. You may be seated. New homeowners, I think I said that again, new homeowners, you're warming up with me. A pleasant morning to you all. This is only the first day of December, but I believe it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. The temperature probably not at this moment, but last night and the night before felt the breeze a little bit. But for our NHT contributors who will be transitioning to homeowners this afternoon, by this afternoon rather, having received the keys to their new houses here at Twickenham Glades, I'm sure they'll agree with me. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. At Twickenham Glades, a total of 110 housing units have been made available to qualified NHT contributors in this development. Now, some of our beneficiaries are here for the celebration, while others are joining us online, and we want to welcome them as well. And wherever you are, whatever you're doing, on behalf of the National Housing Trust, a warm welcome to this, our handing over ceremony. My name is Dwayne Berwick, and I'll be your Master of Ceremonies for this very special occasion. And it's been a while since we've had one of these occasions, one of these opportunities to, reward our contributors for their faithfulness in contributing to the NHT. So this morning into this afternoon, I do hope that you will find this event truly a very historic one in the lives of our contributors, and that you celebrate with them as they move on in the next phase of their relationship with the National Housing Trust. So the Christmas breeze is blowing somewhat. The decorations have started to go up. And as the traffic becomes more hectic and the cooking and the baking and the shopping begins to take center stage, we should take time to be quiet and to reflect on the good things that continue to take place in our lives, especially this year, in spite of and despite everything that 2021 threw at us. Now, one of those good things is, of course, the opportunity to purchase a house, not just for these beneficiaries here with us today, but for thousands of other NHT contributors this year. And so at this time, we pause to say thanks, and we invite Reverend Franklin King, Superintendent of the Open Bible Standard Churches of Jamaica, to lead us in a prayer of thanksgiving and also invocation. Now it's now time for the handing over of keys, and our homeowners here at Twickenham Glades will raise children here. They see their homes appreciate in value. That's something you're sure of will happen. These houses are definitely appreciate in value, and they will perhaps even grow old here. But one thing I'm certain of, they will always remember this day as one of the proudest in their lives. So upon hearing your names, I'll ask that the proud new homeowners, they will come forward to collect their packages. And Prime Minister, may I invite you back on stage to begin the presentations. And in a moment, I will also invite the Honorable Pernell Charles Jr., Ms. Denise Daly, Mrs. Nesta Claire Hunter, and also our Managing Director, Mr. Martin Miller, who will also assist with presenting keys to our beneficiaries. And we will begin the handover here at Twickenham Glades with Bernadine Anderson. Please make welcome McDonald Comock.
When we finish touring it.
All right. Yes. They're coming. They're coming. Ready? No, we have to wait for the benefit.
No, sir. Could you put Mrs. Smith back beside
Man.
But it's look hard. The benefit because they're going to think you are the benefit.
Switch space and put you over there.
It's all right, man. I can accept it. I'll tell you. No, go over there.
Exactly.
So that way, that's how the problem
Balance
is.
also.
You have to be so politically correct in everything these days. All right, let's go. So after 1 million, ready? All the cameras should be ready. 1 million. There you go. No, it says Cyprus Italian. Well, it's clearly this is not an Italian Cyprus. So Minister, I tell you what, you go and do the dirty work. I will do the digging. And you will take it over to the box. Right? Do you agree with that?
Yes, come.
slow one more time.
All right, I think you'll have enough.
Nobody can see it, it's gonna work. It's right here. Yes, it's working, not gonna see one. It's not really good.
I do a lot of work, you know. No man, you have to anchor it in the
Minister, remember
We get our hands dirty.
you have to make sure, you know, you with your
speed
hand.
is spread.
Yes.
Well, I'm going to come back to some of the money.
Because you know what you're doing. And make sure it come up out of the side.
Good hire you, man. You're doing well.
Right, we're going to. Wow, good.
All right.
Stop. Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, there we go then.
This is your bedroom.
Ah, you get the shot now.
I hope you just give me a key for inside.
Bring the beneficiary there.
So they want us to play a little game. So I'm showing you the bedroom.
And I have to look at now at the lab.
Very nice.
This is, no, really fine.
I think the size of the windows is definitely nice.
Right, so just said it.
The only thing that I'm worried about is that people are going to have to put up grills. But these windows aren't designed for that. But
Let us hope they don't have to.
it's going to take away from the
Yes.
beauty. It's